There's a company dreaming of a world with more healthy people. Through the technology used to convert ginsenosides, the dream is becoming a reality. BTGin has been working to make the world healthier with red ginseng. Ginseng and red ginseng are recognized as global health foods for their effectiveness. But the saponin in ginseng cannot be absorbed directly. It's only able to be absorbed after converting to specific saponins. Saponin is broken down by intestinal microorganisms. The absorption rate is different according to the individual's ability to break down the saponins. It affects the performance of the ginseng. BTGin is a biotechnology company with patented technologies manufacturing enzymatic red ginseng to maximize the absorption of ginseng saponins in every individual, raising the effectiveness to a higher level. Since 2002, through cooperation with numerous research institutes, BTGin has developed the world's only technology for converting ginsenosides. BTGin has provided core ingredients that are used in the fields of medicine, health supplements, and cosmetics. BTGin has also supplied raw materials and ODM products to a variety of companies at home and abroad. In 2013, hard work and preparation came to fruition as BTGin released its own brand, fully equipped with saponin-based products such as health supplements, beverages, and cosmetics. BTGin has international patent technology ECS. It produces specific ginsenosides in biotanks located at the BTGin factory. These ginsenosides with enzyme control accelerate the timeline of breaking down ginseng in the body. It's the system to manufacture absorption standardized raw ingredients, maximizing the absorption of ginsenoside components in the body beyond the individual differences in absorption rates. About 30 kinds of ginsenoside, including normal saponins in red ginseng, can be mass-produced by ECS engineering. As the holder of the world's only patented ECS engineering technology, BTGin can manufacture medicines, health supplements, and cosmetics. BTGin manufactures and supplies a variety of products with enzymatic red ginseng. Rare, naturally occurring red ginseng saponins are included in BTGin's health supplements. Beginning with 8 products released as Project G, now various capsules, powder, and liquid types are being manufactured according to their components, content, and efficacy. Premium beverage brand 42.195 kilometer series, which contains enzymatic red ginseng's ginsenoside, are being exported from China and Japan to the US, Southeast Asia, and Europe. BTGin produces a skincare products line with whitening and anti-wrinkle functions, Herbal Iron. This cosmetics brand includes enzymatic red ginseng saponins as a major ingredient with various natural herb extracts. By the virtue of strict accreditation processes of government agencies at home and abroad, BTGin is recognized for its technology and potential. BTGin has proved the effectiveness of specific ginsenosides through papers from joint researches with domestic and overseas clinical institutions and continues to research in this area for additional scientific efficacies. BTGin has developed Vitamin Ginseng, which puts together vitamins and dried ginseng to increase specific saponin, RG3. It will soon be released. Vitamin Ginseng is expected to be a high-value product in the ginseng root product markets throughout Korea, China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, etc., with new possibilities in the field of traditional food supplements. In the effort to keep humans healthy through ginseng, with the hope that more people around the world can experience the efficacies of red ginseng saponins. For the healthy world we all dream of, BTGin steps forward. BTGin.